Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. In my last video, I was telling you that we are very close to the lowest support ever in the history of SLP, and it is possible that SLP may retest that support, and from there we can have another powerful bullish reversal. And SLP has tested that support, and during this move to the upside after testing the support, it has also broken out another rising wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, I want to discuss this move with you. But before starting the analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to show you this daily time frame chart, and here we have been watching that we have very strong support. And previously I was telling you that we have the support at 6.14 cents, but today, after this spike to the downside, we have now more touch points and confluence points at 6 cents. Therefore, I'm just changing this support from 6.14 cents to 6 cents. You can see that we have tested the support here and here and here and here 2 times, and now 2 times, almost 2 times we are testing the support once again. And this is a very strong resistance at 10 cents, and you can see that we are having several rejections, and the price line is not able to break down this support or break out this resistance since after September 2021. Now let's take a look at the hourly time frame. And on the hourly time frame chart, recently, after getting bounced by the 6 cents support level, the price line has just broken out this resistance of the rising wedge on the 1 hourly time frame chart. And the target for this rising wedge pattern is very small. If I place it here at the breakout point, then our next target can be 6.67 cents. However, if I switch to the 4 hourly time frame, then you can watch another support and resistance levels here on the 4 hourly time frame chart. And this is the support. Let me place the support here. Is coming from here. We have a touch point here, here, and a final bounce here. And we also have the resistance. Let me just show you the resistance. And this is the formation of the falling wedge, another falling wedge. You can see that we have rejection here, we had another rejection here, we had another rejection here. I'm just going to connect all these touch points, and right now you can see that we have another, this is the rising wedge on the hourly time frame, and this is the big falling wedge on the 4 hourly time frame. And after breaking out from this falling wedge, the price line can very fast move up to this tail of the falling wedge that is approximately at 8 cents. However, we need to break out 10 cents to start the real long-term bull run of SLP. And I believe that after breaking out from this rising wedge, this pattern can trigger the next breakout of this from this falling wedge pattern. And once the price line will be out of this resistance of the falling wedge, then it can also trigger the next breakout, that is 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.